Creativity is not something I wait for. It's like rhythm, it's movement. It's in the ride, the city, the sketch, the beat. I'm always hunting and hustling for ideas. Adobe Creative Cloud, it's been a really powerful tool for me since the beginning. I use it for almost every stage in the creative process. I am Antoni Sendra, a filmmaker from Valencia, and I am always experimenting. The first thing to overcome creative block is to understand that it will end at some point. A lot of times when I cycle and I'm pedaling, I get into a zone where I get lost with my breathing and with my heart rate. And from there, new ideas eventually come. Sometimes you open the software and you don't have anything in mind, but just playing with effects, you will get to a certain point that you have something to pull off. The creative process needs to be sacred somehow, because you are entering that zone. It's a spiritual zone. Valencia is part of me, and Valencia is the little world through I see the bigger world. And being a stranger in your own city is something really inspiring for me. To get lost in this flow, you are not judging yourself. You are just in the making. When I'm making animation, I try to turn off my inner critic and try to find my inner rhythm. Adobe Creative Cloud lets me become my own production company. Be a maker, trust the process.